English word of the day. Gaze. 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 Meaning, to look steadily and intently, often in admiration or surprise. A long, steady look. Synonyms: stare, gape, peer, survey, watch, observance, inspection, scrutiny. Example: the groom could not stop gazing at the bride as she walked down the aisle. I gazed at the sky just in time to see the shooting star. My mother gave me a penetrating gaze for complaining about going to school. I gazed at the sunset as the last rays of the sun shined out over the ocean. I see thousands of stars scattered randomly when I gaze at the night sky. Gaze. Gaze. Gaze.